My name is Maria Caprani and I am an account executive on the EMEA sales team here at Notion. The EMEA team covers Europe, Middle East and Africa. Dealing with all those different nationalities, languages, cultures every single day definitely makes for interesting work and keeps the job incredibly exciting and just really diverse and different than anything I've had before. One of the most rewarding parts of being on the sales team is when you go onto a customer sales call and a customer is genuinely so excited by using Notion that they're so quick to share their screen and take you on a demo and a tour of their custom workspace. I think that's very rare with technology. We're learning, we're growing, we're developing. That's created an incredibly supportive culture amongst the team. We really celebrate each other's wins. Everybody shares ideas and experiments. Notion really values a builder's mentality. People who can join the team, roll up their sleeves, and aren't afraid to get stuck in and build things from the ground up. I have found that incredibly refreshing. Having that freedom and trust, that's the most rewarding part of joining a team like Notion.